Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. And let's get started. With the left side we have a Bluetooth button. To enter Pring mode you need to press on it. You will swap to the Bluetooth mode and then you can connect the speaker with your phone. Then we have radio preset, so if you want to use radio you need to swap at the radio preset. Then we have control knob, and with this button you can increase or lower the volume. If you want to increase the volume you need to move this slider clockwise, and to lower the volume you need to move this knob counterclockwise. Also, if you want to, next step is access menu, and if you want to use it, you need to move this knob clockwise to scroll down or scroll up by move it counterclockwise. And then we have a button to increase or to enable or disable the LED light right here. You can press one time and just enable it, press again and disable it. Also, if you press and hold at the control knob, you will enable sleep mode, but you need to enable it in the application firstly to use it. So you just press and hold. Sorry, I need to just go back. Yeah, and I just press and hold. But as you can see, I can use it. Maybe I enable it in the app previous time. Okay, and to disable it also press and hold at this button. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!